So shout out to Anya for sending in her request for today's Igbo Name of the Day gift. She looks familiar probably to a lot of you. That is because she is one of the models that I collaborate with, one of the collab for ad models. Always a great sport, very creative, always willing to be a muse and just do a lot of like really interesting photo shoot concepts. So shout out to her. I'm gonna link her Instagram below in the description. Shout out to her. Thank you for sending in this Igbo Name of the Day gift request. So I asked Anya to describe herself for me. And one of the things that she said was that there aren't a lot of resources to help the black youth, especially when it comes to areas of mental health. So mental health is very important to her because she wants to be there to serve her community so that the black youth have someone to talk to when they're going through any type of difficult time.